guys, today we're doing the New Year special, and this is the third attempt to make it. So here's all of the fire alarm notification devices that I have, and here they are. And right now it's 11:58, and I'm waiting. And apparently that clock over there is wrong, so I'm just gonna have to use that one, my brother's other thing. Okay. You know what? I don't care. Yeah, it's almost. It's almost 12 a.m. Hurry up. Wow. Okay, it's 12 a.m. I mean p.m. I keep screwing up. Okay, that's enough. And also that kind of failed because the Spectre Alert, the MT, the NS, and the Commander, and the Commander 3, and the Integrity never activated. So I guess that was only 1, 2, 3 alarms. Okay, that completely failed.